Jazz Roots. McCoy Tyner honors jazz piano legends of the 20th century as a solo piano album by McCoy Tyner, released on the Telarc label in 2000. Reception. The AllMusic review by Paul Edelstein states that the songs and artists McCoy Tyner has selected to pay tribute to are all great examples of his excellent ability to blend these various sources of inspiration and his compositional integrity into a coherent, persuasive whole. Nowhere is this clearer or more meaningful than on these solo concerts. Track listing: A Night in Tunisia, Gillespie, 2. 54. Panonica, Monk, 3. 37. My Foolish Heart, Young, 4. 20. Don't Get Around Much Anymore, Ellington, Russell, 4. 26. Blues for Father, 4. 00. Sweet and Lovely, Arnheim, Lemaire, Tobias, 4. 06. Lullaby of Birdland, Shearing, Vice, 3. 35. You Taught My Heart to Sing, Kahn, Tyner, 5. 40. Happy Days, 5. 50. Rio, 4. 57. Summertime, Gershwin, Hayward, 4. 51. St. Louis Blues, Handy, 3. 39. Ain't Misbehavin', Brooks, Razaf, Waller, 3. 41. Misty, Burke, Garner, 3. 06. All compositions by McCoy Tyner except as indicated. Recorded at Ambience Recording Studio, Stamford, Connecticut on June 13 and 14, 2000. Personnel: McCoy Tyner, piano;